Hello and welcome to my Power Up Challenge presentation. My name is Arwa and today I will walk you through my solution I developed for Paw Heart Animal Shelters business scenario. This challenge involved utilizing Microsoft Power Platform to streamline the operation of the shelter's animals and improve support provided for foster family. In this video, I will cover 5 main requirements for the challenge, which include creating Dataverse table, developing model-driven and Canvas app, automating notification with Power Automate, and finally visualizing data with the Power BI. Let's go started. The first requirement was to create a Dataverse tables and load the provided data into Dataverse. So first I use a Copilot to create shelters locations, just upload the data and check the data type is the same with the requirement. Then I create the foster family information. But let's just check the data types, and here foster climber's name, data type is text, and location, text area, join date, and local shelter. Local shelters is lookup with the shelter's location table. Finally, we create the shelters animal data. In shelters animal data, as we know, we have two relations. The table have two relations between a shelter's location and foster's family. Here we adapt name, age, animals, locations, birthday, date, foster's family stories, text area, lookup between foster's climbers and initial shelter, and choice in a medical conditions and type, and so on. Each table was created carefully and set up with appropriate data type and relationship to ensure the integrity and easy to access. This is all about Dataverse table. The second requirement was to create a model-driven app for shelter staff. This app allows shelter staff to manage all the operation effectively. And here I'm opening the model-driven app. We can see the list of animals name, type, shelter status, shelter's name. Also, we can filters with type like dot. Also can okay, filters by again equals to adapt. Yes, they're all adapted doc. Clear the filters. Let's clear the filters. Also, I can store the name. Okay. When press the animals, we can see the details of animals. See our cat, just our cat, and we can change the 8 to 4. No medical conditions is claimed to fosters. I change to ready for fosters. Okay. Save and close. Save and close. Okay. Also, we can see in the shelters locations, I see shelters name, ID, shelter capacity, shelters type. The shelters have multiple type, shelters locations and shelters manager. When we see details of the shelters, we can update the shelter or shelters information also. Here we can see the related data with the foster's family and also the related animal data with the shelters. Okay. Foster's family. In foster family, we can see foster's name, location, join date, shelters, link shelters. The related or relationship between the shelters and foster family is workwear. We can see the details of the first foster's family, and we can see here the related data, related animals data with that foster's family. Okay, before we go the third requirement for Canvas app, I want to filter last filters with the status ready for foster. See, we can see two status, two animals ready for fostering. Okay. Okay, clear the filters. I want to change this animal to ready for fostering. To be 3 animals for ready for fostering. Okay. Then we can go with the third requirement is creating a Canvas app. Creating Canvas app make it easy for family to view the animals available for fostering. In Canvas app, fostering family can select the shelters and view list of animals ready for fostering, along with their details and pictures of the animals. The third requirement, yes, we can play the third requirement. We can see a list of local shelters. Shelters 1, there are no animal ready for fostering. Shelters 2 have 2 animal ready for sheltering. As we know, we have 3 animals ready for shelter. In the previous shelter, have 1 animal, 2 animals, and here 1 animal. No animal available for sheltering. No animal, and I want to check all the no animal. Okay. We can produce the details of all animals name, age, male, type, locations, medical conditions, early status, ready for fostering. Also, I I uh, I would choose a claim for fosters for him. She claim for fosters. Also, I go to my Arwa cat in details. Here claim for fosters. That is all about the third requirement. We can go the fourth requirement is send notification email to family when the status change to claim for foster. I want to show you the flow I use. The flow work when status change to claim for fosters. Here's the conditions. Filters, one status equal 6. 6 means the claim for fosters. We can the flow is run. Also, we can change it from trigger animal photo. I get it and send email to foster family. Their details, adopter's name, animal's name, age, and image, and also a date to come to pick up the animals. In the last operation we did in the Canvas app, the status change to claim for fosters. Here I want to show you in my email. I supposed to receive two emails. Check. Yes, we have 2 email. Billy. This is the information about Billy and Arwa cat. Yes, dear Arwa do, they're exciting to have, and this is the day to come to pick up the animals. This automation is also works seamlessly with the model-driven app when status change to claim for fosters. The email notification sent to foster's family. Before we go the last requirement, I want to filter status for claim for foster to show what yes, we have 3 animals claim for fosters. Okay, I want to filters by in shelters. In shelters. How many animals in shelters? Yes, we have 7 animals in shelters. Okay, let's go to last requirement to visualizing data with the Power BI. Let's take a look to Power BI. Here, first, I want to refresh the data to get a last update of animals data. After loading the data, now we can open in Power BI dashboard. We can see number of pets who arrived in the shelters is 7, as we see in the previous requirement. And in fosters means claim for fosters and in foster home. Here claim in fosters is 3 and foster is home in 3. I want to check. I have 2 filters with the fosters pets and filters for arrived pets. In filters in foster pets, the requirement say last 3 months. Okay, we have in last 3 months. We can see we don't have data in last 3 months. There is sorry, we have 2 animals in last 3 months and clear the filters, and then in arrived for shelters in last 3 months. There is no arrived in shelters. I go in 6 months. I test. There is not enough data. So and reduce it by animal type. You can see. Yes, clear. I want to clear the filters. Clear the filters. So reduce it top reduce animal by type, dog, cat, horse. Okay, thank you. This is all about this. This is the final requirement. Finally, thank you for watching my Power Up challenge presentation. I hope you find this overview of my solution insightful. I'm excited to continue using Microsoft Power Platform to create impact solution in the future. Have a great day. Bye.